Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update your Brave browser to the latest version. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines stacked together, which is the main menu icon. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the main configuration area where you can manage all aspects of your Brave browser. Now that you're in the Settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically in the sidebar. Look for the option labeled About Brave and click on it. This section is specifically designed to show you information about your current browser version and to check for any available updates. Once you click on About Brave, the browser will immediately start checking for updates automatically. You don't need to do anything else at this point. Brave will connect to its servers and compare your current version with the latest release available. In my case, I'm already using the most updated version, so it simply confirms that everything is up to date. However, if your version is not yet updated, you'll see a different screen. If an update is available, Brave will automatically begin downloading it right away. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download status. This process usually takes just a minute or two, depending on the size of the update and your internet connection speed. During this time, you can continue using the browser normally, as the download happens in the background without interrupting your browsing experience. Once the update finishes downloading, you'll notice a button that says Relaunch appear on the screen. Click on this button to apply the update and restart Brave. This step is important because the update won't take effect until you restart the browser. When you click Relaunch, Brave will close all your open tabs, apply the new update, and then reopen with all your tabs restored exactly as they were. The entire process is seamless and ensures your browser is running the latest version with all the newest features and security improvements. And that's it, you've successfully updated your Brave browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.